Hey guys, it's Melanie. I just got in from inside. I'm going to be live at 2, which is soon. I was supposed to be on this World Summit, and I just am not feeling it today. How are you feeling? Guys, I'm still getting my emails kicked back. I don't know what's going on, but I'm taking Energize Go. That's my first thing I've done. I haven't even broken my fast, but I'm taking this now because God knew I needed some encouragement. He literally said, go check your mail. So I went to check my mail. So this is the Energize Go. All you do is you pour it in a water bottle and you shake it. It's real easy. So our Captain Americas are leaving Iraq. Did you hear that? I'm kind of sad about that. And Dale is going on vacation, so he won't be able to help on Monday. But evidently, Sabrina can. So we're still covered for the Zoom on Monday. You'll get your announcement on Sunday. Just, I don't know. So guys, he told me to check. So I just got this package. So we're doing an unboxing. That's what we're doing before my 2 o'clock. I just needed something that would cheer me up. I don't even know what this is. I did order some makeup stuff. That's probably what this is. I don't know. I just felt inspired to do it one night once I got and I had to get my debit card back working again because I got a new debit card and I still have to get my everything. So anyways, this is lip treatment. I could always use more lip stuff, you know. This is Face It All 2-piece brush set. I could always use new brushes. I'm going to put those up in my thing. That'll make me happy. Another brush. I'm going to put these brushes will go in my new cabinet. And then I got Blending Beauty's two-piece face brush set. I don't know if I got more than I don't know. The Laura Geller retractable angled brush. So I got that. I got a lot of brushes, and then I got this kit. It's called Laura Geller. Have you heard of it? Like I said, I felt led to use it because all I use is bronzing powder, but I thought this might be interesting because I've been needing to get more, I have that little tartlet called Energy for what? Eyeshadow. I only use a few basic eyeshadows. So this was a little kit that comes with the best of the best Tuscan Dreams. It's for the right colors for me. So look, there's the eyeshadows. There's a powder, and this is probably like a foundation, French vanilla. And then this is there's a bronzer, there's a blush, and there's eyeshadows. So this was my replacement for my eyeshadows. Look at those colors. Aren't they great for me, especially at this? I like the Tuscan Dreams. So I just wanted to open this with you. And guys, I'm going to be live at 2. And I think this is the other piece that came with it. This is like more of a foundation if I want more coverage, like if my husband and I go on a date, or I don't really do, because this is me with just my oil and this is color correcting foundation, base, balance, brightness. I don't know. Usually this stuff doesn't work for me, but I got it as a set. So that's what I got today. Do you like this unboxing video? Again, I'm going to take my Energize Go and I'll be live at 2. I'm just kind of struggling a little bit today, hearing that the guys are leaving Iraq. And, you know, I'm hoping they're going to be on. So join us at 2. And again, emails to Linda Bunk, SP Perry, and Pete Jensen. I've been trying to get your stuff. And Brenda McVicker. Everything I've tried since 7:20 this a.m. to get back to your emails has bounced back. Do you know what's going on? I don't know what's going on. Is it still Mercury retrograde? Because that's what it's feeling like. And I got to get all this upstairs before I go live in 20 minutes. I love you all. I'll see you at 2. It's kind of sad, guys. I'm kind of sad. So I'm using my Relive, and I will probably do a full-on smoothie, but I just needed some more energy. They're working again, pounding. They're off their lunch. This is blue raspberry. It's really good. I don't do this often. I just do this. I use my Relive when I need a kick. This has a kick. So I hope this is going to give me more energy so I can serve you better. Did you like the unboxing? God is trying to encourage me today, right? I just really didn't feel like sitting through that World Summit. So I'll be live at 2 with all my family here. And I'll see you then. Bye.